kamay will get
January 5, 1993.
Uh-huh.
And Rosie, August 31, 1993.
August 31! I guess you know the answer kasi nagpalakpakan naman na meron. Congratulations! Hey! 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 Kasi naman, sabi niya, very easy naman yung question. Ginagano pa niya ako, pero mahirap. Yan, so sabi nila, bakit ba natin ginagawa ang ating cake cutting? Because based in the old times, as they hold their hands together, ito daw po ang simbolo ng unity ng bagong kasal sa buhay may asawa. Okay? Alright, let's listen with our official photo. Kiss tayo, okay? Alright, in the count of 3, 1, 2, kiss! Okay, thank you so much. Alright, here's to our incredible journey of Rosie and to a future that's even brighter with JC by her side. Thank you so much, Lisa. Alright. And let us listen for Ruari. Hey, everybody! Okay, turn tayo, JC and Rosie. Alright, one clap! Ang Carter Recibo because they said that stay a little bit part of the bride's clothing. Ito daw po ay simbolo ng swerte. Yun daw po kasi yun. Ayun. Now, Tracy, can you please stand and join me right here? Okay? Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is syempre, sayawan mo si Rosie. Kailangan mong galingan. Okay? And you have to retrieve the garter. Okay? But for now, since babe ang tawag mo sa kanya, kailangan mo mag-ask ng permission before we retrieve the garter. You only have to say, babe, I'm coming. Ganon. Dapat mas sweet pa doon, ganon. Okay? And yung ating mga winner will stay standing and we will run it down to 1. So, trial po ha. Testing muna. Sino po yung wala pang partner? Sino po yung wala pang 20? Taas mo kamay. Yung coordinator na po kalaban pag wala partner. Sino po ang wala pa? Yung kalaban. Ito po ang mechanic stand. Okay. We're down to
Hera Events Management. From prep hotel to ceremony for church and until the reception, and to our amazing host, Miss MJ Bautista. Thank you for making our big day a success also. More power to your
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.